Hey guys, so I have no time today. Today we have no time. And I say this in every video, but today I literally have no time because I have to be in the city in like 2 hours. And it takes us like 2 hours to get there. So no, it doesn't. That's a lie. It doesn't. It takes us an hour, but we have to find parking and do the thing. And I don't think I'm going to talk too much today because I got to just do the thing. I gotta do the thing. So today, I'm really not gonna talk. Maybe I'll just do a little voiceover explaining the makeup. I haven't done a video like that in a while. I don't really think I'm gonna do that much makeup, but we'll see. And I'm most excited to show you my outfit at the end.
Editing Erica is here. We just did a tinted moisturizer on top of regular moisturizer and a serum. Then I'm going in with concealer on my lid and we're setting it down with a transitional color, which I always do. Then I'm going in with browns on my lid. I wanted to keep it a little bit warmer browns because the outfit that I'm wearing has orange and warmer browns in it. And then I'm using my finger to pick up a shimmer gold and I'm putting that right on the lower part of my lid.
It's looking like a little 2-1 color, so I'm gonna pump some black in. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise.
Just like regular Erica said, not editing Erica, we're going to pump in some black.
Better.
Yep, that has editing Erica's stamp of approval on it. It's so weird talking in like third person. Anyway, I used a little bit of concealer on the eye and then I'm going to go in with my setting powder. This I have on my Poshmark right now. It is something that I make and I use all the time. For my eyebrows, I take a mix of black and brown and I go in with an angle brush and I just follow the shape of what I've waxed and also my old powder brows.
I waxed my eyebrows the other day and I was very happy with how they came out. Okay, I think we're done with this.
Now I'm going to contour my cheeks. This is like a signature thing that I do. And I take a color that doesn't have a shimmer in it, but a brown. And I take a more precise brush and I just kind of line the bottom of it. And then I take a kabuki brush and I go in with a bronzer and I do like a sun-kissed look. So I'll do a C shape on my head. If I didn't already have a defined jawline, I do an E on my head. And then you could see here, I'm just really rubbing in with the kabuki brush, the bronzer. Next is my blush, and I put that on my nose, and I guess, is that like the apples of my cheeks, I guess we can say? And then I take a highlighter, and I go just a tad above where I put that blush, and that's just where like the sun would hit, and it would give it a nice shine. Then I curl my lashes, and I go in with a black mascara. Mascara is probably my #1 product. Because I feel like it really just opens up the eyes. And then something else I've been doing to open up the eyes is putting a white shimmer right in the inner corner. This is something I used to do back in the day and I just started redoing it and I feel like it makes all the difference. We are done with the makeup, so I'm going to show you really quickly how I style my naturally curly hair. I just grab it and I just pin it up looking in the mirror to see if I like it. I wasn't 100% happy.
Get my outfit on and I'll be right back. Let me like pin my hair. I need to get like a clip for my hair. Let's just do a quick pinning. Oh, I didn't set my face. That'll be fun. I feel like it's like I don't want it so tight. I don't want it like so serious.
Round 2 of styling my naturally curly hair. We didn't go with this either, but you can see it's just similar all the time.
I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna go downstairs and do it with like a real mirror. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Am I running late? Always. Did I just pick out a pimple on my face? Yeah, it was a little whitehead. I don't know why I do that. It's so silly. Wow, that looks absolutely nuts. Thank God I just looked at that. Did I miss it the whole time? It didn't do anything. Just gonna leave it alone. All right, so this is what I'm wearing today. This is the outfit. Don't mind the boxes. Reseller. This is the outfit, not even close to final form. I'll just show you. I have a little padded bra. This is the blanket that I turned into a jacket and you guys scared the shit out of me. You were all like, it's gonna fall apart. And I was like, I'm not gonna do that today. I'm not gonna have it fall apart. So last night I sewed a zigzag stitch in brown all around the arm hole. And we'll see how it holds up today. If it falls apart, I'll let you know. But this is what we're wearing. That's it. Adorbs so far, isn't it? I love it. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on I usually don't wear my shoes in my videos, but my monster heels so that it doesn't drag on the floor. Have to walk in the city in this, that'll be nice. Oh my gosh.
Final thoughts on my outfit, because I think it's important to say this last part. I knew going to the event I was going to and wearing this outfit would be appreciated. So many people were asking if I had it handmade for my body, and I was like, no, it was actually my grandma's blanket and I made it into a jacket, and everybody was so impressed and it was just really well received. So I guess the moral of the story is go where you're appreciated, not tolerated.
Okay, bye, see you later.